Guys, welcome back to the channel, girl. I hope you guys are doing well today. As you guys see by the title, we are going to be doing a full face of e.l.f. cosmetics. As you guys know, I love e.l.f. e.l.f. is one of my favorite drugstore products and they are very affordable. I just wanted to do a full face for you guys. I actually want to start a series on this channel, full face of whatever product. It could be drugstore, high-end, and if you guys want to see more videos of that, please let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see. So anyway, I'm going to show you guys what I picked up as we go along. So let's just start off by using this hydrating moisturizer. I really like their moisturizers and the skincare products. Like, it's really good. I've been using e.l.f. for years. They came a long way. I really do like what they have now. Like before, it was like really hard to like e.l.f. because e.l.f. was not that girl back then. They had stuff, but not for us, girl, if you know what I mean. Now they're really doing good. I love their skincare products. Their concealers are the bomb. What I do like about the concealers, they have for dry skin and for oily skin. So if you guys want to try it out, why not? Get it, girl. You will not be disappointed. As you guys know, this is a concealer that I use for my brows. Like, really like it. I'm going to tell you guys the shade in a minute, but girl. But this moisturizer is really good for dry skin. Hydrates the skin. As you guys can see how my skin look really different now. And I'm gonna top it off with this Jelly Pop Dewy Primer. I really want my skin to be like really dewy today, so I'm using everything for dry skin. I don't know if this is a sample size or the small size. I don't know. I think when this came out, I couldn't get the big size. I think they have the big one on the Ulta website. Hopefully they don't discontinue this primer because the Jelly Pop line is the bomb. Really hydrated. It feels really nice on the skin. And you really don't need a lot of this. You see how it looks? Look really nice. And it's not even sticky or anything. It feels really good. Okay. My skin looks really good now. So I had to pick up one of the eyebrow pencils. I used this in the past. It's really good. Haven't used this in a while. So this is an instant lift brow pencil and this is deep brown. I wanted to see if they have ebony, which is the darker shade that I usually go for, but they didn't have it. So I just picked up dark brown. So hopefully that this is not like too brown on my brows. So let me know in the comments below what is your guys favorite e.l.f. stuff. You really don't have to do with makeup. It could be skincare. I like to hear what you guys have to say down below. What is your favorite product from e.l.f.? I don't have a favorite product from e.l.f. because I like everything that they have. It comes with a little spoolie on the side here, and this is around $3. I remember when I started doing my brows and I didn't really want to, like, you know, spend too much money on brow pencil. This is the first brow pencil that I bought. I usually don't do my eyebrows on camera because it just takes a while. And my eyebrows are very funny. So I tried like to like brush it up so it could look the same. Yeah, so this one is gonna work. It says dark brown, but it looks more darker. So I had to put my contacts on, girl. I couldn't see for anything. So I just want to make sure I do this correct because sometimes when I do my makeup, it don't look good and I have to do it over, and we are not here for this today, okay? This is the foundation that I'm going to use today. This is a CC cream. Okay, I bought two of them a while ago. So I have deep 540 neutral and 1045 neutral. So I'm going to show you guys 10, which is, you see, it's a little light. This is the other color here that you can see. I don't know if I should mix it or not, but let's just go with the 540. And this has SPF 30 and this is the shade 540 neutral. I have a little bit of that foundation on my hand and I'm just gonna kind of funny because when I tried out this foundation, when I did the review, to me it looked pretty dark. But now it's looking different. I don't know. But this is looking pretty good. I'm not gonna put too much. You don't really need a lot, but I'm gonna make sure that I get enough coverage. Blending really nicely, covering really good. And I think this is gonna be good for like all skin type, especially dry skin. You guys look at the coverage, girl. And I've been telling you guys, like, if you guys, if you're just starting doing makeup, you don't need to go buy so much expensive products. Girl, e.l.f. is only $3 to $6. The skincare products is a little bit more expensive. It's like maybe like $12 to $15. This just gives a nice, beautiful coverage. It's like really, really nice. I'm not gonna bring it all the way down. I just want to cover it right there. But anyway, this is a favorite color, girl. This is cinnamon, and like I said, it's really good for the eyebrows. This is one of the concealer sponge. I have a lot of these, but the ones that I have, it's dirty. Girl, it's not wet or anything. I'm just gonna use it dry because this is just how I like to use my sponges. And you see how nice it blends out the product? Beautiful. I don't even have to like do too much to it. Just blend out everything really nice. So I'm gonna go in with this side here. Now my favorite thing to do is to set, girl, and we are gonna set this concealer. Now this is the Hollow Glow setting powder. I've been raving about this for years, okay? And this is the shade medium. You are not that girl if you're not using this setting powder, okay, girl? This is really nice under the eyes, and I'm gonna take it and just press it into the skin. And the thing is, it really don't leave any cast under the eyes. I really want to get like another one because this is the only one that I use, except the Laura Mercier one. I need to give it a break because I just keep on using it. So this is how everything looking right now. This is really, really nice, right? You really don't need a lot of the setting powder. Now this brush here, this is a Sodona Lace FB03 brush. We're gonna contour today, girl. And this is Rich Almond. Okay. I don't even think this is dark enough, but I don't know. I just don't want to use anything different. I'm gonna go in with the same sponge and blend that out. I think this is okay. Rich almond, not rich almond, rich walnut. I think this is a good color. Yeah, I think so. It's showing up a little brownish, maybe just my eyes, but now I can see the redness, so it's fine. Powder. I have a face powder, but I want to do a separate video on this, so I'm not gonna put it in this video. I'm gonna be using my setting powder. I'm gonna use that all over the face. Girl, I just do whatever I want to do when it comes to makeup. I just gonna use my powder all over the face. And this is a full face of e.l.f. and I just want to use whatever I have. And I did this before, so I know it works pretty good. So this Caribbean Putty blush. I have blushes from e.l.f., but I never try out the Putty blush. So I want to try out this one to see how it's gonna work. I want to take a little bit and put right here. I don't want to put too much. This Putty blush, this is Caribbean, and this is like a berry shade. I'm gonna take this brush here from BH Cosmetics. I don't know if it just settled into the skin like that. I don't know about cream blushes like that. And most of the time when I use cream blushes, I will just use it on my lips because not every time I use blushes. Now, you see, this is why I don't mess with the cream blushes like that, because they dry down so fast and you have to work really, really fast to blend it out. I think this side has a little bit more. But this is really, really pretty. Like, look at the color. I picked the right color because I was trying to figure out like what color I should pick. And I just went with Caribbean because I'm a Caribbean girl. So why not? Yeah, this is really pretty, but you have to work really, really fast when it comes to these blushes. They kind of like settle in right there. Okay, so we have this bite-sized eyeshadow here that we're gonna use. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I probably will do something simple as always. This is my favorite little palette here. It's like it has everything. It has 2 matte shades and it has 2 shimmer shades. That's all you need. I think I'm gonna go in with the shade here. And this brush here, of course, this is from BH Cosmetics. I went on their website the other day because I haven't been on their website like in a long time, because like I really don't need anything from their website. And I just had that feeling that BH Cosmetics is gonna go out of business. 99% of my brushes are from BH Cosmetics. Girl, I'm gonna be so upset if they close their stores down, because a lot of brands are just like disappearing because not a lot of people wearing makeup these days. You know, like myself, I don't really wear makeup. I just wear makeup because I'm doing videos, but on a regular day, girl, you would never see me wearing makeup. I just like to be natural, you know? They have this brush right now on sale because I was on the website last night. I was just like browsing. They don't really have a lot of brushes on their website. Most of the brushes that I, tell you guys, they don't even have them no more. That's kind of, I don't know what's going on. So I'm gonna go in with this berry shade here. I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna just like smoke out under the eyes. Okay. Like, this is really pigmented. I wasn't expecting this little bite-sized thing to be so pigmented. It's like really, really pretty. Wow, I'm just gonna like, bring it out a little bit, just like so. And I'm just gonna use another brush to blend it out. So I have this mascara here from e.l.f. This is the Big Mood Mascara and this is black, okay? So I'm gonna use, I don't really have a lot of lashes to go around, but she look cute. It gives you that volume. Like, look at the difference, like, girl. And I'm not gonna put any lashes on today. I'm just gonna keep it strictly natural, okay? I think the only thing that they're missing right now is lashes. I don't even think they have lashes. I never seen lashes on the website. Okay, you see the difference? Like, girl, get this mascara. I think this one is around $6. You see the difference? This one is the purple cover. I have another one. I thought I didn't have the mascara and I got the other one, but I'm not going to use it. I already have this one, but this one is really good as well. It just gives you a nice little volume. But don't worry, girl. I'll list everything down below if you guys want to try it out. I'm going to spray the face next. I'm going to be using the Glow Dewy Mist. All right, so this is the last thing that we have to do, and is the lips, and this is my favorite thing, girl. So e.l.f. don't have a lip liner, not that I know of. This No Budge eyeliner, and this is the shade Coffee. I'm gonna use it on the lips. I don't even know how it's gonna look, but we're gonna see. I wanted to use a pencil because I like using pencil when it comes to like lipstick or lip gloss. So this is the shade here. And this is the eyeliner. I usually don't use eyeliner. Maybe this will be too dark. I don't know. But let's just try it. I just want to put a little bit on the lips. This probably might be a little too dark, but I'm gonna like blend it. So this is my favorite lip gloss, and you guys should get it as well. This is one of e.l.f. best lip gloss. Okay, this is not sticky, and this is what I've been using a lot on the channel, even though I don't tell you guys. But this is Mocha Twist, and this is the lip plumping gloss. I feel like a little tingling at first, but after a while you really don't feel anything. So let me just show you guys. It's a nice color for our brown girls. Okay, it's really, really pretty. It's not that bad with this lipstick. I want to put a little bit more blush on. I have these blushes here. We're gonna go in with this blush here. This is Always Spicy. This is an e.l.f. blush. I kind of depotted it a while back, and I want to put a little bit more blush on here. I just feel like I just need a little bit more, just to set the blush that I have on top. I really don't need to do that, but I just want to put a little bit on the nose. So everything that I use in this video today will be listed down below, and I'm sure you could get it. I'm not sure for the Always Spicy blush because I've been trying to find this blush and I can't find it, but I'll try my best to see if they have other websites available. I like everything that I share with you guys today. This is a beautiful, cheap look. You don't really need to spend too much of your money to get like a full flawless look. e.l.f. is the way to go, guys. Like, I've been telling you that for years. It's cheap. It's like $3 to $6 for the makeup. And if this is your first time here, girl, what are you waiting on? Subscribe to the channel. And to my OGs, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. And we are growing, girl. We are growing, okay? Because you guys are sharing the video, you are thumbsing up the video, and YouTube is pushing it out there, and we are growing. So thank you guys so much.